Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When American Thanksgiving is around the corner, I know I have to start my holiday cooking and baking. Let's not wait till the last second. Although I have a lot to do, there's a tasty condiment that I have to make every year. The beauty of it is it takes only 10 minutes using 5 ingredients. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cranberry butter. The color is so festive, plus it's easy to do. It's a great addition to your morning menu. Toast, croissant, pancakes, waffles, and so on. I also like to use it for turkey sandwiches. So good. Trust me, you have to make this delicious spread this year. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a tall bowl, so it doesn't splash everywhere, or if you're making a bigger batch, a food processor will be just fine, we'll add our room temperature butter. I know mine is melting a little. It's because it was still hard like a brick after sitting on a counter for a few hours. So I decided to expedite the process by putting my bowl in the oven for a few minutes. It sure did the job. Alright, so to this, we'll add some powdered sugar, which you can make for a fraction of the cost by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and also a tiny pinch of ground sea salt. Using a hand mixer with the whisk attachment, we'll process until the ingredients are nicely incorporated and the butter is creamy. And let's not forget to clean the sides of the bowl. Here are some frozen cranberries, and I prefer using them over the fresh ones because they're easier to cut into small pieces. So when we have our quarter cup, we'll add it to the butter mixture along with some finely chopped orange zest. We'll now process, but this time using the beaters, until the mixture is well blended. Again, we'll clean the sides of the bowl. Next, we'll scoop the mixture onto parchment or wax paper and fold one side to compact the butter, forming a log. We'll curl our fingers under to tighten it up and roll it up to the other side while folding in the ends. We'll chill until it hardens, about 2 hours, or you can always use it right away. And my friends, this is our cranberry butter. Sweet, pretty because it's pink, festive, and super easy to make. This is a great condiment to enjoy during Thanksgiving and the holidays. This spread is so tasty on croissant, scones, pancakes, bagels, waffles, etc. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!